Guess it's quantity over quality. Come on, let's check out all the commotion. Just look at our new Sprunky friends. They look so sad. Let's take them home. In fact, why don't we make a place just for them? This looks like a job for some cardboard. Wow, those colors remind me of semi-hemi. That's an idea. We'll make it look like semi-hemi. But, you know, mixed with a carnival attraction. Ooh, the corn tree is once again in bloom. Let's add some in and see what happens.
Wow!
But first, why not turn on the heat? Things are about to start popping around here. Popcorn!
Whoa.
Aim for the cup! The cup! Looks great. Where's the salt? Maybe some butter. Hold on, that's not for you. It's a Sprunky treat. Eat up, guys. Don't worry, we'll help you. Uh-oh, now they're thirsty, and we didn't even add salt. Why don't we whip up a drink stand? And who better to help than our old pal Coca? Of course, variety is the spice of life. Add a coin and pick your poison. Durple's getting orange soda, a classic.
Yeah!
Next up, some cola and lemon lime. Simon just loves citrus. Now green for red and red for green. Some Sprunkies gotta dance. They're maniacs on the floor. Okay, don't make us separate you two. Why don't we roll out the cardboard carpet? And whip you up a place to work out all your energy. But don't forget, we'll need something they can fit into. Something with a nice Sprunky touch. It's Ratty, and he's electric. Huh, make that magnetic. Now he can put the Go in Go-karts. We could race these guys, but there's really nowhere to go. So why not lay back and enjoy the ride? Let's spruce things up around here. Uh-oh!
Ouch!
Oh, calm down. It's only paint. Can't let it go to waste. Might as well finger paint. Decorate with hot glue for a nice woodsy look. Cover those holes with some spooky faces. Think of it as our carnival's haunted house. But a tree. So like a haunted tree house, sorta. Okay, got any takers? Ah, Ratty, try to kick a ball in. Wow, you got it in! And on your first try, too. And it looks like you started a new trend. Wow, they sure kick hard considering they don't have feet. Hey, that looks fun. Anyone up for horseback riding? Of course, where are we gonna get a pony? Sure, we could just sit and scream about it, or get crafty. Now, what part of the fair needs a nice, colorful top? I'll give you a hint. It also involves horses. Plural. Rainbows aren't mandatory, but who doesn't like rainbows?
Wow.
Round and round you go. That's another hint. It's a carousel, but we still need the horses. I've heard about digging for treasure up there, but I never knew that it would actually work. Keep digging, we're gonna need more. Wonderful! Ready to take it for a spin.
Wow.
Come on down and pick a pony. Wow, it feels like you're floating on air. And these guys aren't even Pegasi. Aw, they all look so cute having fun. Let's take pictures. We need a camera. Sure, we don't have one, but I'm sure we can whip one up. We're gonna need a strong lens. Think of it as a big mechanical eye. Don't forget to fix up the shutter. Plus a few buttons. Gotta have buttons.
Cool.
Why don't we test it out first? Cheese!
Oops.
Okay, big smiles, everyone. Hey, you close your eyes.
Aw.
Aw, this one's going right in our scrapbook. Yeah, you should keep that selfie.
Uh-huh.
Wow, who needs a hole punch when she's around? She's a whiz with a paintbrush, too. Ooh, so what do you think she's making?
Phew. Cool.
Well, you can't go wrong with fairy lights.
Hey, no.
All your truck needs now is a mascot. Look at that. It's an ice cream truck. Who's in the mood for some sprunky spumoni? Come on down. We've got a bunch of flavors. Plus, we're always packed with toppings. Cup or cone? Why not choose both?
Hey.
Place your order. Would you like a sample? Let's start with a scoop of cotton candy. And our pistachio just can't be beat. How about a nice juicy strawberry?
Wow.
Here, have a bite. And we've got cones to spare, too. Silly Alexis. Now where's he off to now? Big wheel keeps on turning. Hey, what's that smell? What pretty flowers. They make great paint, too. Why, there's enough for two. But what's she making? Want to make a trade? She needs a straw. That cup should come in handy, too. It's a new Ferris wheel. And look, Mr. Sun is the star of the show. Come on, guys. Who wants to go for a ride? Okay, everyone, line up. One sprunky for each seat. Soon, you'll feel like you're on top of the world. But that's not the only wheel at the fair. Hey now, a wheel of fortune isn't cheap. Don't worry, we'll make you a place for all your coins. Why do I have the sudden urge to go to an arcade? It's a game of chance. Spin and see where it lands. A Labubu! And look, It's just your size, too. Who wants to go next? Okay, Ratty, it's your turn. You got a rock! The Charlie Brown special. Oh, good grief. Wow, have you ever seen a Waxus so excited before? Ooh, looks like you got the mystery box. Just what we always wanted. A button. Hey, who turned off the lights around here? Careful, things get spooky around here at night.
Okay.
Oh, calm down. It comes with an off switch. Oh, they're sorry they scared you. You can look now.
Wow.
And why wouldn't you? Everyone's having so much fun. Yeah, nothing beats a night at the amusement park. Still, we mustn't spend too long at the fair. Besides, let's get out of here before they hire some clowns.